Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi Jayaba and I'm a freelancer on Upwork. I'm top rated on Upwork and I bring tips and tricks to you guys about Upwork. So today I want to be showing you about how to write your proposal on Upwork. It's very easy to write proposal. Once you get that trick, once you understand that this is the way proposal is supposed to be written, trust me, you're going to get that your first client, especially those people that are new on Upwork and they have not gotten, they are struggling to get their first client. This video is for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I write my proposals and how it has helped me to become top rated. It's one thing to optimize your profile, it's another thing to make sure that you're submitting very good proposals. So, in this video, I'm going to show you every step and what you should look at before you even submit that cover letter or that proposal. So, yes, let's get right into it. So I want to be quick as possible to explain to you how you should write your proposals and what you should look out for when you're writing your proposals, because that's very important. You're searching for jobs that you want to apply to. So what you should do is that you should look out for some things before you even start writing your proposal, so that it's not that when you have written your proposal and then you are now at the verge of submitting, you now discover that, oh, the person is not verified, the person is not this person. So the first thing you first do when you see a job that, oh, I can do, let's assume now this one now, right? I can do deep learning expert needed for crop and weed detection model, right? I can do. So the first thing I'll first look out for, what I even do normally before I even open it, is that I look at this place. I see payments unverified. When I see these payments unverified, I don't even bother myself to click it. I just move. Do you understand? But let me open it and really show you some things that you should watch out for. You see that the person put $60. Yeah, it's actually a good work. The person really wrote it in details, fine. But the person is not verified. Phone number verified, right? Only phone number is verified, but payment method is not verified. How do you want to pay me? I don't know. So I won't even bother myself to apply for work. So you just move. So let me look for another one that is verified and then I'll show you what I'm trying to say. Something like this too. Okay, Python web app data scripting slash experts extraction experts, right? The first thing we actually look for is payment method verified. We've seen that it's verified, phone number is verified as well. And okay, we're saying that okay, fine, it need 14 connects. Like I said, gone are the days when we used to submit for 4-8 connect. Now connect is very expensive. So and that's the reason why you need to be very, 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 you know, um very like you need to pay very attention to when you're writing your proposal so you don't just waste your connect. Yeah, I can see that it is a weekly um hourly job, because if not you'll have seen fixed here as an hourly job, and then you can see the expertise. Okay, if it's something you can do, then fine. You come down, still look at and see that okay, how much you have paid to people, are there good reviews they've given the freelancers. Is the freelancer a person that you can work with or you cannot work with? Then you will know through this place. And sometimes other open jobs, you can see there is just one. Some people who have so many open jobs. Let me show you an example of the one I saved because I wanted to show you guys here. I recently saw this because I was looking to apply and I saw this and I was like, okay, this is an international conference, i.e. academic conference, right? The person wants you to maybe write papers in IEEE and stuff like that, and it's paying 500. Okay, quite well, because research is not easy to write, so you need to pay a lot of money. So okay, that's good. It's looking for entry level. When I saw this, I was like, I'm not so sure this person will is actually, because entry level, right? To do this amount for this amount, nah. But if you apply as a new freelancer, like I said, look out for this. When you see entry level, to be quick to apply to, because the person is just looking for a beginner. Doesn't want somebody that will tax him, and just wants someone that he can be able to just do the work anyhow, even if it's not so well, but still pay you like and give you a 5 star. So this entry level too, you can look for it. Sometimes it's expert, it's intermediate, but once you see entry level and the amount is very small, you can quickly go for it as well. So we can see that this is the skills and expertise. Okay, fine. This is something that I can do. Less than 5% has applied, and you can see that less than 5% applied because, okay, let's still be going, sharp. You can see that payment method is verified. This one even has verified payment method, number to verified, but no any star, meaning the person has not worked with anybody and they maybe gave him star or stuff. The person is from Singapore. You can see that he has paid. He paid a lot of money, sha. That's really cool. But then coming to this place and now see that okay, fine, he has had like recent jobs with people, and then you now see other jobs open to clients, opened by this client, meaning this client has posted a lot of jobs and he has not really picked people. You understand what I'm trying to say? Let me open it here and let you see. You can see this is one of his jobs under expert, expert assistance for submitting paper on NDPI and Formatic Journal, right? See, you can see that he put out this job. He has not even hired anybody. Let's go to the next one and see. He has also put out this job. See the amount he put out. He has not hired anybody. Like this, so even though the person has really paid people, coming down here and see that the person has really paid a lot of persons, like he has spent a lot of money, over 2.9k. You know that okay, fine, this person usually do pay his clients, but these jobs that are here are too many, 44 other jobs that are open, and he has probably not hired anybody from this job. So there's probability that even this one he's putting out here, he has not hired anybody. And so that's how you just waste your connect, because if you put it out, he might just leave it and just forget it, because he has so many here that are open, that even the ones that are open, he has not applied, he has not hired people. So there's a probability that applying for this work, right, you might not get hired. You might just be among, it's to just come and list, to be among this list, and he won't pick anybody, and that's how the job will close after a month. So those are very important things that you should look out for. Let me show you other ones too as well. Healthcare data analyst, insight and predictive. We got applied for this. You can see. So let me show you. Let me go back. Right, data scientist, artificial intelligence. You can see this person wants, to do work, data science and AI, basically artificial intelligence. You can see person has put out this, I see this amount of money, $1,000, is entering my eyes. Even me that I'm talking to is entering my eyes. For you just have to be very careful. These are not amounts that they just give. Even if you are top rated, they are not amounts that they will give you. They need professional people that have probably done over 100 works or jobs on Upwork, and they are probably um even top rated, but they know that they've done so many jobs, and their money that they've gotten on Upwork is so many, so meaning that they have been on Upwork for probably years. So those are kind of people that they're looking for. So you as a beginner now, you see this $1,000 now, and you say you're going to go and apply for a job. You will never. It's me that is telling you, you will never get that job. They will not even look at you twice. Even once, they won't even look at you. So those are things that you should watch out for. You shouldn't be applying for works like that. Let me look for something else too. Um, let's see this one: academic writer, human resource management, quantitative research and publication support. So this is about research writing. Maybe wants to write research or stuff, right? He's thinking about academic writer that probably help write research and everything. So this is an hourly job, and that's the reason why you are saying this, right? It's not a fixed jobs, hourly jobs. So these are sometimes they put in questions: how you published any research articles, if you could answer, these are questions you answer. And most times when you're answering these kind of questions, right, try to address it at the first line or the second line of your proposals, even if you still answer it. See what I'm trying to say? Let's click on apply. So you can see this is where you write your cover letter. You can see the question they want you to answer. Even if you still put out the answer to this question right here, still try as much as possible when you're writing your cover letter to put out the answer there. because that's the first thing they'll see before even coming to look at what they have asked you to answer. So try to do that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's pretty much it. Let me go straight to how to write a proposal, a very good proposal. Let me look for something that is quite easy that I can use to explain. So let me use this as a sample to show you how I wrote this, because I don't want this video to be so long. I'll still show you how I wrote it, like basically showing you the practical, but I've already applied for this. Let me use this as a sample to show you what I wrote. So first of all, the client says that I'm looking for a code that allows me to fill data into a spreadsheet from other spreadsheets that CSV file. It will take the information based on the name of the items and the same and some columns. This is most what I'm looking for. However, it could be possible to add statistical analysis of the resulting data depending on the cost of the work. This can be done using Python with pandas and NumPy. You're expected, you are the expert, so you need to know how to do this. Please send me details, estimation of your rates and how much time this will take, right? So this is a question. When you come down, you can see that this is a question the person wants you to answer, right? As long as along with your proposal. First, the person is asking, please list any certification related to this project. If you have any certification that's showing proof that you have done something similar to this, describe your recent experience with similar projects too as well. So I will look at and see that the person is payment is verified. Yes, I can see it's verified. I can see that he has 5 stars. Okay, meaning he has worked with people and they've given him 5 star. I can see that he has spent 1.8k. Okay, 21 hires, 2 active. Okay, I can see that he's in the field of engineering and architecture, which is actually cool. Okay, I can see that um so now, assuming he has not hired somebody, I can see that 20 to 50, meaning I won't even bother to apply. But if I see like 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, I can as well apply. And then if you see the last time he applied, maybe it's like mm, days, or no, not even days. Maybe it's like most times I apply to jobs that I see that's within maybe the highest day is maybe like 1 day. That's the maximum, 1 day. Once it past 1 day, sometimes I don't bother to apply, but 1 day, yeah. So I'll now look at and try to look for his name. um is his name here? Is his name here? His name here? I don't think. Okay, the Diego, right? I think this is his name. Daigo, something like that. Yeah, Daigo. So we see that his name is Daigo. You can go further to check to be sure that it's Daigo. If any other person has listed his name, but if any other person has not, then we go with that Daigo. So let me show you the proposal and how I wrote the proposal. And yeah, mm, so this was how my proposal was. You can see, hello Daigo. Here is my portfolio. I always do this. I always say it in my channel. If you follow me on TikTok, if you follow me on YouTube, you know that I always tell you, drop the link to your portfolio, let them see it. Hello, here is my portfolio for samples on similar work I have done. Meaning that, oh, this is showing that she has done similar work. For her to even show me a sample, let me see the sample. Person will click it and try to see what you have done. And that's like a way to really person like, since that this person has done similar work, and then person may not even continue reading what you have said and just chat you up. The person can continue reading. But this is just a way to catch the client that, okay, see you, I have done. Concerning your project, I will help you automatically combine data from different CSV files into an organized spreadsheet, because that's what he wants. So I tell you, this is my portfolio. I've done similar work on that. And your project, I would combine data from different CSV files into one organized spreadsheet. Using Python and pandas and NumPy, right? I will create a script that quickly gathers, organizes, and cleans the data to ensure accuracy. This is me telling you that I will make sure everything is accurate, right? Then I can also perform. So this is a mistake here. Always try to read your proposal before you submit it. I will say I can also perform statistical analysis to give you insight from the data, and I can also help you create data visualization to give you a clearer understanding of the results. This is me telling the client what I will do. I first told you that this is what I can do, and the next thing I'll tell you how I can tackle your problem, because that's why we are here. Is we want to solve your problem. It's not about me. So I shouldn't come and telling you that, oh, I've done this before, I've done this before. Yes, I did it. This was how I did it. Yes, like no, it is not about me, it's about you. So I am here for your work. So I would explain to you how I'm going to tackle it. So while ensuring that the code is thoroughly explained, I guarantee original work and high quality results. So this may telling you that I will not just do your work for you and give you, but I'll ensure that it is thoroughly explained in a way that you also can understand it. I also guarantee that it's high quality work, meaning I'm not doing any kind of work for you. I'm giving you high quality work. Please find the attached sample of my previous work. I'm also still telling you that find it. I've attached it below. Okay, I didn't attach it. Most times I do attach more of my projects that I've done, even though I give my link. So but I think here I was just trying to say, like, right, but I think I didn't just attach it, but if not, I do attach it. So please find attached samples of my previous work, and then, right, I will ensure to do it within your time frame. I always do this. I always do this. Your time frame is important. You want it as quick as possible. I'll work with your time. So you can chat me up and let's discuss further. Best regards, my MC. So the question he now asks was, because the questions were many, I didn't list them out inside my work. So I just decided to just, go straight up. But most times, as a beginner, especially if you are starting and you're trying to capture that your first client and get that, you need to like state it out, say it at the beginning or second part of your proposals, even though you still put it here. But don't make your proposal long. That's very important. Don't make it long. So you can see that he said the question was, please list out any certification related project, and I listed them. I have database and SQL for data science and data analysis with Python, Python for data science and data analysis. These are certificates that I have. He now said I have attached all. I now said I have attached all below. Right. Um, Describe your recent experience with similar projects. Right. So this is me describing my recent experience. I've worked on projects where I fixed errors in data extracting from .raw files. I've merged them based on their unique identity and ensured compatibility with varying columns formats across different years, selecting the file with the most observation. So this is work I have done that is similar to what he wants me to do, and this is me listing out. And all these things in my portfolio. Yeah. So he will find it there even before he even comes to this place to see that I've done similar work on that. So portfolio highlights. I just put machine learning and data science. Yeah, I do put more on that. So I don't even know why I just put this two. I probably was rushing or something. But as a beginner, ensure that your portfolio highlights, you put your certificates there. I think there are just four that can be listed here. You put maybe two of, if you've not done any work before, you can just list out your certificates or your and then um basically your certificates. Yes, this just list out your certificates if you've not done work before. But this me putting out completed work that I've done, so that he knows that I've done similar work to what he wants to do, and then that's it. So that's how to write proposals. Proposals, you need to be very intentional. You need to know what you are doing, so you don't waste your connect. Connect is very expensive. If you buy like 30 connects now, it's just two. It's just two. You can just submit to two, just two jobs or probably three, and there's no probability that you get it. So, but you need to know that you're writing your proposals really, really good and really well, so that you can be able to get, right, so that you can be able to get those jobs. So that's pretty much what this is about. I'm going to be giving you more tips and showing you how you can write your proposals. I'll show you how I do write my proposals with ChatGPT as well, as quick as possible. When nothing is coming to my head, I will just try and I'll submit. So I'll show you guys too as well. So if you're not following G channel, make sure that you're following. Make sure you're following, especially if you want to get the top rated like me. Make sure that you're following. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I want to show you today. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, so keep tuned and watch out for more tips and tricks so that you can get up there too as well. So yeah, bye for now. Bye.